Hare Krishna, Shubha Mataji and Vandita Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Pranams Prabhu, pranams.
Hare Krishna, Danvat Pranams Mataji.
Dandavat Pranams Mataji, Prabhu.
Actually, I was thinking, what about that Gita quiz, Mataji? When is the quiz actually going to happen?
Prabhu, ideally I should send it tomorrow, so that because Wednesday we are meeting.
Okay.
So that I can send it. Last class I was supposed to do, but I spoke about Jagannath Rath Yatra last class.
Yes, I understand.
I didn't have to administer the quiz. So, Prabhu, I went through all that the tutorial which you did. It is so easy to understand, very well done, and you spent so much time doing this for our sake. Thank you, Prabhu.
Thank you, Mataji. Only thing is those 13th and 16th question, as I explained in the video.
Yeah, that's a good suggestion.
You very just like that wherever 12 Mahajans is coming, you make that also multiple choice. And the correct one, you keep it as it is, one of the four. Others you alter, instead of Janak Maharaj, you put Dasharat Maharaj.
Yes.
One you put instead of Prahlad, you
Bhishma,
put
Sudama, you said. Those are
something like that. Some variations you give. Because what happens is, if you keep it open text, people will put also 12 Mahajans. But validation will be a problem using Grok or any software, any AI. It will expect that exactly like that they should type correct.
And it will not give marks for that.
It will not give marks for that. So that is a difficulty. So that we can do it off. So what you can do is, when you today we can
Prabhu,
do that.
I will do that in the word file myself. Shubha Mataji has one exercise to be done. So she wanted this class to be
sure. What is it, Mataji? Which is that exercise?
Mataji, today, no. Today it is not possible for me, Mataji. I'm little. We can continue with our AA class, Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji, you wanted to make some flyers and all, Mataji.
Which one, Mataji?
You told me that you wanted to make some flyer or poster or something.
No. Now it is not required, Mataji. That challenge is over. We can go with our AA class, Mataji. And moreover, today it is not possible for me, Mataji.
Okay, no problem.
No problem, Mataji. The thing is, I will just do a screen sharing of what we have to cover. Which I had created in the beginning itself, which we had to cover in the classes, all these AI classes. If you see, we have to. Shall we start with poster and banner creation today? Shall we explore how to do that? Because I think that will be useful for many of you. That is, for example, Jagannath Rath Yatra, some event is coming up in ISKCON, and suppose you volunteer to take up the banner creation, poster creation. Very simple. How, if you go to one graphic designer or somebody freelancer, you tell him, sir, I want this thing to be created. You give your requirements, you give your content. He or she will do it and give you, and will alter till you get the final output. The same procedure is also with regard to the AI. So today we will look into that. We will try that poster and banner creation, and we will see the different things that we can do. So let us take a case study, because I always believe the practical approach is always the easiest way to learn and the best way to learn. So what we will do is, for example, we go to ChatGPT. And we say, for example, let us say in ISKCON, which is the next event which is coming up, Mataji and Prabhuji? Any idea? Any suggestions?
Next one will be Balram Jayanti, then Krishna Janmashtami.
Krishna Janmashtami in September. Shall we take up that itself, Krishna Janmashtami?
Okay,
we will just do a sample poster. Yeah. Now what we will do is, we will just give a prompt in chat. You can see my screen? No, you cannot see, no?
We can't see your screen.
Okay. I'll have to once again give share. Yes. So basically, I come to chatgpt.com. I log into my account. And this is my account here. Once you can use your Gmail itself, kannayahitesh@gmail.com. Whichever Gmail account you have, you can add, or you can create a separate account using your regular email address, Yahoo or any other email address also that you have. Now we'll just come here. We will say select this option, create an image over here. So the now ChatGPT knows that it's got to create one image for us, one visual for us. And even if you don't say create image, if you tell, I'm designing a banner for Krishna Janmashtami and give the details, it will automatically understand that yes, you're creating an image. But it's better to select this thing. You can click here also and say create image. And there are other options, web search, deep research. When you wanted to do deep research and give you some output about some scientific thing or something like that, you can select this. And for now, we'll select create image and we'll say, for upcoming Janmashtami, Krishna Janmashtami celebrations in ISKCON Chennai, create a poster with the poster, you can say, and / invitation with the following details. So like this we to say. And first thing is we'll provide certain inputs, visual inputs. Like one on the top left corner, we want Srila Prabhupada's image in a circle. And on the top right corner, maybe we can put the ISKCON logo. So we'll source that from the internet. ISKCON logo. ISKCON Chennai, maybe I can put specifically in case. ISKCON Chennai logo. So we take this red one. And we don't need to remove the background from this and all. ChatGPT will automatically integrate it into the final poster in the way that is appropriate, like removing the background and all those things, encircling it and all that. So we just need the raw image. And so I'm putting it here. Yeah. So ISKCON logo has been saved. Then we want one image of Srila Prabhupada. So we'll just say Srila Prabhupada, it's come. And we can take this one, maybe. One of the more common images of Srila Prabhupada. So we take this, we save it. Srila Prabhupada. So these two images we need, and for as far as Krishna's image is concerned, we can either give it, we can give ChatGPT the freedom to let it use its own imagination, or we can say, so for the inputs, first we'll say, first attachment, ISKCON logo should be on top right corner. Second attachment of Srila Prabhupada on top left corner. And then we will add the attachments later so that it has the thing reference. Then we say in the center, what do you say? Use the image, design an image of Lord Krishna's Govardhani Leela pastime, we'll say. So we are all standing under Leela pastime or any other pastime also. And details should be, further details should be of details of the event. For example, date, venue, time. So we can put 4th September. It's 4th September, I think 26. Time, say 5 p.m. in the evening. 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. And venue, ISKCON temple. Sholinga Nallur. Also, we can just give a casual command like this, saying that use your imagination to create some nice visual effects, and also include the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra on the side of the poster somewhere, which is so that we will supply that also, because we don't know whether it will.
Prabhu, I have a question, Prabhu.
Yes,
Prabhu,
Mataji.
for the quiz you used Grok, and for
Yes,
banner you are
Mataji.
using Chat GPT. Is there any particular reason for that?
No, Mataji, with this exact same thing we can do in Grok also. There's no issue. It is like, for if you for soap, if I want a bathing soap, I can use Daba in Medimix sandal soap. I can use Hammam also. I can use Patanjali soap also. These are various options. So like that, these are all AI is more or less thing. The thing is, certain things it's always good to use certain softwares. For example, what I have seen from my little experience in Claude, for example, Claude is there. No? Like we have ChatGPT, we have Grok, we have Claude. Claude is very good for advanced things, coding and the developing some technical things, softwares, coding, and all those kinds of research and all that. The Claude is very good in all that. And if, for example, somebody wants to develop a trading strategy, investment strategy, and all those things, you can do that. Number crunching, those kinds of things. For visual, Grok is very good for you want AI videos, AI images, and things like that. It gives you a lot of variety and all that, and outputs are also very good. ChatGPT is good for things like poster, banner. You can use ChatGPT or Grok or anything. It is not compulsory hard and fast rule that you have to use. In fact, what you can do if you have little time, is for example, if you're designing a poster and you're having time to do it, you put the same prompt in 2-3 different times. You put in ChatGPT also, open one more tab, put in Grok also. The same prompt you put in a Claude also, for example, or in Meta AI, and see output again across these platforms. Whichever is the best, you select and you use it. So that way you have the best thing. So
thank you, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu. So Hare Rama, Hare Rama, 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 Hare, Hare. Okay, so this much we have said. Only thing we'll supply those two images. ISKCON Chennai and Srila Prabhupada ji. So we have given all the details. In case we have certain other things to input, for example, QR code for donations, that detail, for example, so that we can attach, like how we have attached Srila Prabhupada's image and ISKCON image, we can attach one more image, the QR code. And we can say, include this QR code in somewhere in the bottom right corner, which is for donations. So it will and put this title, scan to donate. Like that, we can put that also. So like that, and we just give an enter command. Now you will see in a few seconds, we will have a pretty beautiful image. And what we will do is we will open Grok also simultaneously. And this, what prompt we gave, instead of typing the whole prompt, we just come here to the bottom of the prompt. And this copy option will there. Every this thing, whether it be ChatGPT, Grok, or whichever platform we are using, it will have this thing to copy the prompt and to edit the prompt also. So we copy the prompt, we come to Grok, and we paste it over here. And of course, here we have to again attach the image. That we cannot copy paste. So we have to attach the two images of ISKCON logo and Srila Prabhupada, which will come on top left and top right. All right, and everything I have given over here. And it's just Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. All right. and everything is there. Enter. So now we come back to ChatGPT. By now it will be ready also almost in few seconds. It doesn't take. There we go. See, pretty good design it has given. We told also that we just told that it has to be this Govardhan Leela. It correctly interpreted that also. It didn't make any error there. And in the left, they have included the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, a beautiful, nice, this thing. What do you say? Like one, one thing for the text. They have included that way. We just download it, and then we can see it in full image, full size image. And you see how beautifully, without that, they have done the circling of Srila Prabhupada also. And it's not been a very rough circle, just one circle like that. If I do it manually, I would have done all that shabby work. It has done very beautifully. It's like seemingly they have integrated into the poster, and they have included a quote of Srila Prabhupada also with his entire name without any spelling mistakes. There is ISKCON Chennai on the right. As I told you, they have removed the background from the image which we supplied, and they automatically integrated it into the thing. Krishna is also looking beautiful with all the residents and the rain and all that, this thing. And the date time, look at the date time. If you see, they have included one icon for the date, the calendar. Time, they have included a clock. Well, venue, they have included that, location venue, this icon. Bhajan and Kirtan, they have included. See, we didn't even tell all these things. Srimad Bhagavatam, discourse, cultural programs, they have on their own Mahaprasadam distribution. Correctly, they didn't even say Prasad distribution. Mahaprasadam distribution. All are welcome. Come with family and friends. Blessings. Follow us on Facebook, ISKCON Chennai. We have put the website address also. Amazing. What do you think, Mataji? What is your, Mataji and Prabhuji, what is your take on this poster? Is it of a good quality?
This is so good, Prabhu. Unbelievable.
Exactly.
We are seeing the power of AI. It would have taken us several man-hours.
Yes.
1 full day we would have done this, but at a touch of a button, we are getting this. This is incredible.
Exactly, Mataji. Actually, for a couple of years back, when I was working for Chinmaya Mission full time, that is from home only, I was doing all this poster designing and all for them, apart from other works, this tech works and all. It used to really take me more than half a day, sometimes 4 or 5 hours. It used to take me to design one decent quality poster, and even then, it will not come as beautiful as this. As I said, everything has been so beautifully and seamlessly integrated. That look at this text effect also. They have included the Krishna, this thing here. I could have done that, but I would have done copy pasted and I would have removed the background. It would have been very patchy, my work.
Yeah, the peacock feather.
The look at the Krishna font, so beautiful. And Krishna, it's himself. And here Hare Krishna Mahamantra they have brought on the left and everything. All this we did not supply, Mataji and Prabhuji. Kirtan Bhajan we didn't supply, Srimad Bhagavatam we didn't supply, but yet it has included all this correctly without errors also. So really, that's why this is one of the reasons I feel when it comes to poster and banner, I feel the best is ChatGPT. Others are also good. Let us see what Grok has done.
This ChatGPT is.
Can I say something?
ChatGPT we have upgrade.
Poster is wrong.
Yes, Mataji.
Prabhuji, no, this ChatGPT, where this has to be upgraded, or it is available.
No, free may also. Free may also you can do, Mataji, but it is for Indians.
No,
for Indians,
it has limitations. No.
That's what I'm
from
coming.
From the day one, I'm saying, no, Prabhuji, like I was able to do only 2 or 3 posters, not very much big posters, 2 or 3 designs only. After that, I think so. It has put a thing that there are options. It is over or something like that. Limited.
Yes. That is what, if you're designing poster or anything, it will give you up to a certain limit, 3, 4, then it will stop. It will not allow you to generate in the free plan. But actually, for Indian citizens, for 1 year, they are giving the pro plan for free. So if you come to Mataji, if you're on the laptop, you can open one Chrome tab, Mataji, put chatgpt.com.
Prabhu, excuse me, one question I have. So whatever you are using now, Grok, ChatGPT, that is free version, or you are having a paid version?
No, it is a paid version, but for 1 year it is giving free. That is, I upgraded for free, not without paying 1 rupee also.
Okay, thank you.
But after this 1 year free trial that they're giving, next year onwards, say July of 2027 onwards, when it's coming time to that 1 year is expiring, thereafter it will be 300 rupees per month. Thing. But what you can do is, if you don't want to pay that, you can, before that time comes, you can cancel the subscription. You will not be charged. 1 year you can use for free. Then you take it as it comes. If you feel like, is it really worth it, or is it really necessary? Because suppose you want to do even 4 posters, do one in ChatGPT, do one in Grok, do one in Meta, and do one in something else, Claude. So you got your
this 4 free things. It is for the whole year, or per day we can do 4?
Per day you have some 3 to 4 image generations you can do. As far as text is concerned, the limit is more. Like, for example, you're sourcing information and all that. There you'll have like 10, 15 you can do. Then it will say, no, you have reached the limit for the day. Because text is involving lesser usage, Namataji. So they give a larger limit. 10, 15 chat prompts you can give. Then it will say, you have reached the limit in the free plan. And say for image 2 or 3, at the most 4 generations, then it'll stop. It'll say you have to wait for another 24 hours before you can again generate. That limitation is only in the free plan.
And Prabhu, the ChatGPT, I noticed it is far more advanced than Grok, because it has also taken one quotation of Srila Prabhupada and put it under his image.
Yes.
But in the Grok, the Prabhupada's Tilak, they put a bindi inside one. Which
and this is not exactly his image. It is it is a painting generation of his. That was similar, not very accurate also.
Yeah, the other one was too good.
Yes, and also the Hare Krishna we told to include in English. They have put both English and Hindi. That's okay. But I think still in terms of beauty, I think that beauty and accuracy also, ChatGPT seems to be doing better. Now we'll open one more this thing. Which one? We'll try Meta AI.
Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Before you do anything, can you ask ChatGPT to make a correction to that thing? It put on the wrong website. I don't think it has the ability to correct.
Yes, we can do that. You're talking about Grok's generation of Prabhuji? ChatGPT, okay. 1 second. Yes, Prabhuji, which correction you...
It says ISKCONChennai.com, which is actually ISKCONChennai.org. Then you ask
Okay. So then we can do that. See, now when we want an edit, very important thing, what we should do is we must say, make the following edits.
Now we can do that, Prabhuji, because it's done. No, ChatGPT has done its work.
No, it is done. But you see over here, it is giving a provision. It says describe edits. You're seeing that, Mataji? Describe edits is here.
Prabhuji?
Here, where I'm moving my mouse.
We can't see, Prabhu.
Oh, sharing is not there still.
No, describe edits is there, no, Mataji, Vijay Mataji.
Here you can see, Mataji, describe edits.
This can be done in tab, Prabhuji, which you are doing.
Yeah, I can see now. Describe it. It's below.
Tab, yes, Mataji. You open your Google Chrome browser and type ChatGPT.
Right now, I am not have my laptop. This tab Google have, Prabhuji.
Google also you can go, or you can download the app also. ChatGPT app you can download better.
Prabhu, for instance, in this Govardhan photo, they are showing Krishna is lifting Govardhan with this index finger.
He lifted with the small finger.
So that kind of edit it can do?
Yes, we can do. And you'll be amazed to see how it will do. I'll just make these couple of changes. One that Prabhuji said and one that you have said. So all we have to do, very simple, just say, make the following edits. So one by one we will tell. We'll tell one, the URL of ISKCON Chennai at the bottom is www.iskonchennai.org, no Prabhuji?
Yeah, correct.
And second edit is the image of Krishna, Lord Krishna. He should be carrying the mountain on the little finger of his left hand, or isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Left hand. Left hand. And any other edits we need to make? I think everything is okay now, apart from that. The quote of Prabhupadaji, is it really his quote, or have they imagined something? Krishna consciousness is the topmost yoga. Okay, that is
Prabhu.
correct. So everything else seems to be correct. Sholinga Nallur spelling also is correct. Mahaprasad, culture, Srimad Bhagavatam. Okay. So these are the two edits. Now I'm just putting
And Prabhu,
enter.
sorry, Prabhu, here instead of kirtans and bhajans, you can remove and bhajans. You use the word only kirtans.
Kirtans. Okay. So then third, we'll say from the text, kirtans and bhajans, remove. No, we'll just say change it to kirtans. Change it to, we have specifically provided kirtans. Right? And any other change? I think that's it. So, and one more thing we need to mention, I prefer to do this. It is not necessary to do this, but I always make sure that I do this, because earlier when I used to give it edits, sometimes it makes a lot of other edits also, apart from what we have requested. So what we should do is, in caps, we will type like this: everything else remains exactly, because it will change other things and then there could be errors in the other things also. So we don't want that.
Exactly.
So we'll say everything else remains exactly the same.
Okay.
That is a problem I see. It keeps needlessly changing and spoiling the generated image.
Meta. Now this exact prompt, we will also, you said something, Prabhuji?
It needlessly messes up the image like it just did just now.
Sorry, I couldn't hear that. What are you saying, Prabhuji?
Are you able to hear me?
Tell me.
I'm saying it needlessly spoils the image. When
Which
you go
thing?
for an edit, you look at the generated image, it looks very different.
In the ChatGPT one, Prabhuji.
Correct. Look at the generated image.
Where is it?
It's not generated a new image still.
It has already generated.
No, it will be coming, Mataji. One second. Here, it will be done in a few seconds. See, here we have. Now, let us see whether they've done the changes. Bottommost, we'll just save it first, because otherwise expanding becomes a bit difficult. We'll go into. Just see if the corrections have been made. First of all, Krishna. Now see, this is the mistake they're making. Two fingers he's holding. It's more of a, they further worsened is the correct. And they have now changed the address, the URL of the website also. It's still ISKCON I don't know why. Kirtans, they have made the change. They have removed bhajans.
Yes, that's the only change.
So now see, that is what, this is where AI is lacking actually. It doesn't, so for some reason, it gives all these erroneous outputs from time to time. So what we'll do is we'll copy it, make the following edits. The URL of ISKCON at the bottom is iskonchenai.org, and not, we'll say that also, and not ISKCONchennai.com. Please remove this. And the image of Lord Krishna, he should be carrying the mountain on the little finger of his left hand only. Please generate correctly. Something we'll say like this, we'll try to get it to the, and this Kirtan and Bhajan we don't need to say because he's done it correctly. So we remove this. Everything else remains exactly the same. Let's see what it generates. So I'll copy that main prompt with the first one which we gave, and we put in Meta AI also and see which is better. Oh, I've already copied it. This is another problem. It's pasting the full thing in one line only. Oh, sorry. One second. Create. Maybe I can come to create, login. We come back to the Chat GPT tab and we just see what it is. It's still not finished actually. It's almost finishing. So we come to Meta, Hitesh Kyani. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So Meta AI. Paste this thing. The prompt as it is. And let's see what it does. ChatGPT has finished. It still see this. This is the problem. ISKCONChennai.com. And still he's used again 2 fingers. The little finger is coming up, but the so is also the index finger. How to get this corrected? Sometimes, I watched one YouTube video sometime back. It said that in these AI models, if you scold them and tell them a little, you scold them and say the say thing and show your frustration, they actually generate better output. So we'll say something like, "Why don't you get it?"
Won't work. It's not going to work.
No, actually, once or twice it did work for me. I got irritated and told like that. How many times to tell you, Lord Krishna should carry the mountain only on the left, small little finger of his left hand. And what else to say here? No other thing. Huh?
I think if you ask too many things, it can't do. But practically speaking, is it possible to edit this downloaded image and make the corrections ourselves?
That we can do. We can ourselves do it off. Yeah. But the only thing we can edit that URL, Prabhuji, that ISKCONChennai.org, we can make the change. But this Krishna finger, for us to make the change, it will be complicated and difficult.
Prabhu, maybe we should explicitly tell every line. For instance, remove the index finger holding the
So Lord Krishna should
extend the little finger to touch the mountain, something like that.
Remove the index finger
and fold it down. Extend the little finger.
Extend the little finger
and
to
touch
carry the mountain.
Yeah. Let's see if it works, Prabhu.
So that is one thing with regard to, and this thing, carrying of the mountain. Now, at the bottom, how many times to tell you the change the address, the web address, URL of ISKCON Chennai from www.iskonchennai.com to www.iskonchennai.org. I think we can't get more explicit and think than this. Let us see what it does. And Meta AI. Oh, no. Prabhu, that's totally different here. Somebody else altogether.
Meta AI is horrible, Prabhu. It's so funny.
And all of them are carrying the mountain. All the gopis are carrying the mountain. Gopas are carrying the mountain.
It's hilarious.
And Krishna is not under the mountain. He's somewhere else carrying another hill and whatnot. Oh, no.
I know. He's carrying another small mountain.
And all the gopis that gopas are lifting that Govardhan hill.
They are changing the Leela itself.
Total mess. No. Meta is not worth it. At least this is somewhat better grok, Only we can tell it actually. As far as make the following edits, we'll see how adaptive, how responsive grok is with regard to making edits. Use only the image supplied of Srila Prabhupada and not any other image. On the top left corner. And what other edits this in grok? Again, he's carrying the mountain with the hand, not with the finger. Apart from that, Krishna Janma is okay. We'll try that also. Lord Krishna should carry the mountain only on the little finger of his left hand, and no other finger should be raised. And also, there should be some gopis and gopas. I put men and women standing under the mountain lifted by Lord Krishna. Okay, now let's see what it does. Meanwhile, we come back to ChatGPT tab. Ayyo, I don't know what to do with this ChatGPT. It has made the change of ISKCON.org. That change it has made. But the lifting of the mountain is an issue. It is not happening as per our requirement.
It has only folded the little finger, but the index finger is...
See, that's what ChatGPT, whatever AI all said and done, you can say is like, one young boy who is still growing up, it's not matured still to understand many things. So it is making a lot of these errors and all that. Let's see. .org is correct, so that is fine. Everything else is fine. Mahamantra correct, spellings are all correct. Only this has to be changed, the finger. Mahaprasadam, what are they included here? We must see that also. It is. It looks like one samosa, with chutney and some white thing we have included. That's okay.
They are showing children playing with the balloon and all. That's nice. Cultural program is nice.
I think Mahaprasad that is okay. It is not, so long as it's not showing non-veg or something, it's okay.
Okay.
But this Krishna hand, anybody can give some suggestion how we can give the prompt to get the correct output. See, even, no. Srila Prabhupada, their Grok has completely messed it up. Somebody totally different here. And he's carrying the mountain again in his full left hand, not only finger. Gopis and Gopas are coming under that. They have listened and they have made the change. So I think it's best to stick to ChatGPT for posters and banners.
Agree,
all said and done,
that's correct.
Yeah, all said and done, it's making lesser mistakes and it's somewhat more accurate.
But we got a very good idea, Prabhu. How to go about making posters, how to make edits. It's very, very interesting and very useful for us. Thank you, Prabhu.
You're most welcome, Mataji. But I think what I will do is I'll just try to get that last edit. When I'm saying I'm making angry right now, right away starting to generate. I'll say, Lord Krishna. Finally, last time I'll try Mataji. Then we will see it some other time because I think it's already getting late also. Lord Krishna should carry the mountain only on the left finger of the small, what is that? Little finger of his left hand. All other fingers of the hand should be folded within. Right? Everything else remains exactly the same. Go ahead. Because when we scold this thing, I don't know, maybe we may get a better chance of getting a final. See, let's see what it does now. So this thing of similarly, banners also, only thing it will be horizontal. This is mostly the posters will be vertical. That is a portrait format, how we are generating. The banners will be landscape where you'll put similar things, that logo, and you'll tell which image or which this thing you want in the center and the date, venue, time, and all that. Banner also will be more or less similar way of generating style of thing.
Oh, okay, Prabhu.
Another thing I wanted to share actually, this with just one click you can convert this poster to a banner. How? You see over here when you click on this image which it has generated, assuming it's the correct image, you come on the top right, you see aspect ratio.
Yes, aspect ratio.
What is aspect ratio is when you say 16:9 widescreen, what you mean is the width is 16 and the height is 9 in terms of some number. It can be inches, it can be feet, it can be millimeter, centimeter, whatever. But that's the ratio between the horizon, between the width and the height. When you say square, it is equal. It is a square. You can make it portrait also. This is, for example, this is portrait, 9:16. So 16:9 is horizontal landscape. 4:3 is other ratio. 3:4 is another ratio, and square will make it equal. So if I make this,
what is it, Prabhu? What you're showing, it's portrait, is it?
This thing is portrait because it's like a portrait, like one image of on this thing. landscape will be the horizontal. It will be like
it will be tilted 90 degrees. It will be
you can see
rotated
this
90
wide
degrees.
screen, you can see landscape, you can see. So we'll make it wide screen, for example.
Okay.
It will convert this exact same image into a wide screen, which
Okay.
can be used as a banner. So that is one easy way to convert poster into banner. Apart from that, if you want to generate a banner, you in the beginning, you say aspect ratio. I'm generating a banner with all these details. Aspect ratio should be 16:9. When you say aspect ratio 16:9, it will generate a landscape format. If you don't say anything, it will generate by default portrait when you say poster and all that.
Okay.
When you say poster with 9:16, then it understands that it has to get only portrait. It has no free will over there. But when you want to generate banner, just make sure you say it is 16:9, the aspect ratio. So it has that last one, it has still not made the correction. So we'll just leave it for the time being. Maybe later we'll get some better idea to rectify this. Everything else in the image seems to be correct.
Yes, everything else is correct, Prabhu.
And so this is I think one feature that we have, and also we can share all this, we can share our whatever prompts and all that we are giving, this entire chat, this thing, public link copy to clipboard. Anyone with this link can see the conversation. So for example, you are teaching somebody, or you want to share with somebody how you generated this whole thing and how many, all these prompts and all that. Instead of copy pasting and saying first I gave this, then I gave that, you just click on share over here. The link got generated. Then you come to your your WhatsApp, and you share with that person. You just put Control V, and you wait for the thing to come, the preview to come, and say enter.
So when we click, we can see the image you have created.
That person, whoever receives this thing, you can say that these are the prompts I gave. So when they click on this link, that person clicks on the link, one tab will open in their Chrome browser, wherein your entire conversation with ChatGPT with regard to this poster generation will be visible to him. What all prompts we gave. So instead of explaining one thing, we can give the whole this thing itself to the other person this way. On the top right corner, share option will be there. So see, now look at this. It has made it into a banner. Krishna Janmashtami celebrations, everything it has retained, Prabhupada, ISKCON.org, and all this thing, come celebrate and all that. It has become into a banner. With this one click, we converted the poster into a banner by changing the aspect ratio. And if we say square, it will make it into a square with equal width and equal height. So that also we can do if we want to.
Prabhu, this is very useful, Prabhu. Prabhu, how to add a QR code for payment?
QR code, yes. Now, for example, if you are already having one, because if you're talking about some organization like ISKCON and all, they'll be already having. So we go to the website.
Okay.
Or they would have supplied. If they have not supplied, we can go to the ISKCON Chennai.org. They will have on the payment donation page, they will have a QR code for sure. So we go there, donate. Click on donate. Donate page is loaded. Now we come to the options. So the WhatsApp. Donate now. If I click, for example, if I click on one of the options, payment details, here you have these all seva type. So for example, we will just say Sandhya Bhog and all that. But we have to give all these details. Then only the QR code will come actually. So I'll just give some details. Seva amount 1001. Yeah. Name Hitesh. We don't need to go and actually make the payment, Matajis and Prabhuji. We just have to give these amounts, these details. And before the next stage, we will copy of the gmail.com. Proceed to donation. So we have not yet made the payment. We have just given the details. Here all this will come, Razor Pay and all that. So if I click on proceed to pay, again,
this will ask for a OPT, Prabhu.
No, but we don't need to come to the, now we have got the QR code.
Okay.
Now this is the QR code. So how to copy this QR code? Very simple. Right click on it and say open image in new tab. Then this QR code is opened. Right click on it and say save image. So in that same folder where we are doing our project, we will save it over here as QR code ISKCON.
Prabhu, this QR code is only for 1,000 rupees or is it for?
Oh, that's a good question. Actually,
I think it will be specific to that.
For 1,000 rupees, no? No, but normally donation, when they say they have a QR code, general QR code also, events terms. Because
suppose we have to give a QR code based on our GPay, for instance. So we have to go and take a photo of our GPay QR code and just load it. That's it, is it?
No, for example, as far as... Yes, Prabhuji?
I'm saying it'll 100% be a generic QR code. It's not a shop where you say I'll give 1,000, then only 1,000 will come.
So then I think...
it and you will know immediately.
Yeah, I'll just scan it here. We can get an idea whether it is... 1 second. So this QR code I'm opening, I'm scanning with the Paytm app. Because when I was doing some work for ISKCON Tinagar website, there's just a small seva they had asked for. So that time I found that they are having a general QR code on their website, ISKCON Tinagar. But ISKCON Chennai, see, yeah, you're right. It is not a general QR code, this QR code. It is for 1,001 specifically. So, but that will not work on the poster. Poster, we have to give general QR code. So either we will have to ask the ISKCON Chennai by calling them and telling them, please provide a general QR code. Or suppose if you are designing for ISKCON Chennai, you ask you can call they have given the number over here at the bottom, call them and say, I'm designing the poster and all that. I need the general QR code. They will give you. Okay. Now, for example, if we'll just go to the ISKCON Tinagar website, that one Netify something was there actually. 1 second. Where is that?
Now I've got the idea, Prabhu. I'm sure.
You got it, na? So basically, you take that QR code, and what you do is, like we supplied Srila Prabhupada's image and his logo image. We will just attach this thing, and we'll say, this is the third attachment is QR code of ISKCON Chennai. Include this in the poster in the bottom right corner, like that we'll say. And it will generate all those things which is generated, including this thing. So this is how it is to be done. But make sure it is a general QR code and not a specific QR code.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Most welcome, Mataji and Prabhuji. I wish we could have a longer session, but of course, I think 1 hour is also good enough. It's a little action-packed and quick,
Yeah, it's quite a heavy class for beginners like me. Lot of knowledge download.
Okay. Yeah, then that way it's good. It's only 1 hour.
Regarding that free plan thing, you tell in the next class, Prabhuji. Free plan.
Mataji, you want to upgrade to the paid plan for free? But would you like to do that? Shall I send you the link? Because there is one link, you just click on it.
Question I have with that editing which you...
Shubha Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji.
If you want, I will send you one link. You click on that link and your ChatGPT free plan will be converted to a paid plan without any charge for 1 year.
Okay. Prabhu, you put it on the group, Prabhu.
I'll put it in the group. You do that. You subscribe for 1 year for free anyway. It's available for all Indians. And then before 1 year, if 4 or 5 days before it is expiry, you can cancel the subscription and you will not be charged.
Okay, Prabhu. Before how many months, Prabhu? Before?
Like just a few days before the expiry, so that you will have to have a note in your calendar or somewhere in your phone. You can put a alarm for 1 year down the line. Few days before the like today's 20th July. If you are subscribing today, then on 15th July or 10th July 2027, you cancel it off. That's all.
Okay, Prabha, understood. And one more thing, that regarding turning posters to banners, I'll
explain it once again. We have time for that. 3 minutes is still there. Now, for example, we have generated this poster over here. 1 second. You're able to see my screen?
Yes, Prabhuji.
See, now this is the poster we have generated. Let us assume that they did it correctly. It is holding with the little finger of left. Now what? Very simple. Click on the poster. One left click on the poster. The full screen opens like this. Then on the top you see this option aspect ratio. Click on it and make it either landscape. You can make it, or if you want it more wider, also you can make it widescreen. These two are for horizontal, that is landscape. So I will select, for example, landscape this time. Let us select. Just you select that, it will automatically convert and give you in few minutes. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes it will give you for Mataji.
Okay. Prabhuji, this can be done in tab, Prabhuji, or we need laptop only?
All this can be done in the tab of the phone also. It can be done in the, as far as phone is concerned, you can do in the Google.
No, I am having tab. Tab we can do, no, Prabhuji.
Oh, tab also, yes. That tab you're saying. Yeah, tab also we can do. Just you open the Chrome browser and go to chatgpt.com and make sure you log into your account, because that way all your past history, everything will be saved. Because, for example, you want to go back to it tomorrow, you want to make some edits. If you just without logging, you can still do without logging also, but then it will not get saved into your account. So you log into your account and then you can start using for all these things. So when you're creating initially, just make sure you come here, you click on create image. Click on create image and then say, I am designing poster for so and so. This is the details. These are the reference images and all.
Okay. I will try and get you, Prabhu, next week.
Sure. Please practice, because when we practice only, we will make sure, we will realize where we are strong and where we are getting stuck and all that. And we will be able to. So this is almost finished, this 4:3 aspect ratio. Last few seconds. 7 o'clock, Hema Mataji will be taking class, no Mataji?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes.
She's still taking? Oh, okay. I think it's almost time for that. So here, the 4:3 is ready. We can download it. Click on it and just say download. This down option is the download option. Click on it and save it in your folder, and that's it. That we have it. So, okay, Mataji and Prabhuji, I'll close here because 7 o'clock you need to go for him.
Then we have to go to the printer option and then we have to take a print like that. No, Prabhuji.
That print option also you can take a print out of it. That is the same.
Okay, we will start. We will mark the doubts and you tell us, Prabhuji. Yes,
sure, Mataji and Prabhuji. Thank you all for joining.
For your patience and sharing the knowledge freely with us. Thank you, Prabhu.
Most welcome, Mataji and Prabhuji. Any doubt at any time later, also during the week, you want to ask some doubt, you ask, and I will, in a few little time, half an hour, 1 hour, I will respond and give the answer.
Prabhu, I want your help in completing the questionnaire. So after the class, sometime tonight, I will try it, and I'll also convert it into Tamil also. And
the quiz, this thing, Mataji.
If I have any doubt, I'll come back. Your
video please contact me. After you finish Hema Mataji's class, we can spend some time and we can do it off, because tomorrow you have to submit, you said. Yes, so it's just a matter of half an hour work, because we have almost finished everything. Okay. The last bit we will do it today, tomorrow we'll do, and we'll close it off.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Thanks a lot, Prabhuji. Thanks a lot. Yes, Prabhuji.
Most welcome, Mataji. Hare Krishna.